Alright, so a quick tutorial for how to check your grades online on Aeries. So what you want to do is type in avusd.org and hit enter. And then you as students want to click on the Students tab. And you are going to go down to this big A right here, which stands for Aeries. So you'll click on the A. So this is where it's going to get a little tricky because mine doesn't log in like yours does, especially on a student account. But I'll give you the main idea. So what you're going to want to do is type in your email. Remember, your email is the first initial of your first name, and then your complete last name, your 4-digit ID, and you have to make sure that you put in this at avusd.org. Then you can click next. And then for you guys, what you're going to want to do is sign in with Google. Like I said, I can't do it with my account because it's a teacher account. But once you hit sign in with Google, it will bring up your email address. It'll ask you to verify your email address, and then you will click next, and then it will ask you for your password. Once you put in your password, your Aeries account will show up. On the right hand side is going to be a column that says missing assignments, and what you are looking for is that all those numbers are 0. If you do not have a 0 on there, you can click on the number and it will show you which assignments you are missing.